Welcome to the top best. The best Scum Off Shower Cleaner is probably one of the most essential cleaning products for any household, especially if you're tired of battling stubborn soap scum, hard water stains, and mildew that seem to reappear no matter how often you scrub. This powerful formula is designed to cut through the toughest grime with minimal effort, leaving your shower sparkling clean and smelling fresh, transforming your bathroom from a chore zone into a sanctuary of cleanliness. Get ready to say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to a brilliantly clean shower with this game-changing cleaner. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Introducing the Pink Stuff, your new go-to for tackling tough messes. This miracle cleaning paste makes cleaning effortless. Watch as it effortlessly cuts through grease, grime, and dirt on a variety of surfaces. Get ready for a truly sparkling finish. From kitchens to bathrooms and beyond, it's the versatile solution you've been searching for. It handles it all with ease. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it's gentle on surfaces, leaving them looking their best. Experience the difference. Make cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. This paste is your secret weapon for a spotless home. Discover why everyone is raving about this incredible cleaning paste. It truly is a miracle worker for your home. What we like? This cleaner offers incredible scrubbing power for tough grime. Its versatile paste formula can tackle a wide range of surfaces. If you're looking for a powerful, all-around cleaner that can handle baked-on messes, this is a great choice. What people say. This cleaner is amazing and it works so well on soap scum. It removed the soap scum from my shower walls and doors. I love how it makes my shower look brand new. Number 4. Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner Spray. Tired of scrubbing your shower? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your shower sparkling clean with minimal effort. Say goodbye to back-breaking scrubbing. This powerful spray does the hard work for you, dissolving soap scum and grime. Enjoy a pleasant, fresh scent after every use. It leaves your shower smelling as good as it looks. Get more cleaning power with this generous 64 fluid ounces bottle. It's enough to keep your shower pristine for a long time. Just spray it on your shower surfaces and let it work its magic. Rinse away the residue later for a brilliant shine. Achieve a spotless shower without the hassle. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a clean and inviting bathroom. What we like? Enjoy a sparkling shower with absolutely no scrubbing. The refreshing vanilla scent leaves your bathroom smelling great. If you hate scrubbing and want a convenient, hands-off solution for regular shower maintenance, this is the one for you. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing soap scum and grime from shower surfaces. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply the cleaner to all areas of the shower. It leaves shower doors and tiles looking sparkling clean with minimal scrubbing required. Number 3. Yuk Jetted Tub Cleaner. Tired of residue and grime in your jetted tub? Our powerful cleaner is designed to tackle tough buildup. It works quickly to leave your whirlpool sparkling. This formula is specifically made to break down stubborn body oils and soap scum. It reaches deep into the jets for a thorough clean. Enjoy a pristine tub in just 15 minutes. You can trust its effectiveness and safety. It's been rigorously tested in labs and is safe for septic systems. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. Restore the shine and cleanliness of your jacuzzi or bathtub. This cleaner ensures all hidden areas are addressed. Experience a truly refreshed bathing environment. Getting a deep clean has never been easier. Just follow the simple 15-minute cycle for a spotless finish. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your jetted tub. What we like? This cleaner is specifically designed to deep clean jets in tubs and whirlpools. It effectively dissolves stubborn body oils and soap scum. If you have a jetted tub or jacuzzi and want to ensure the jets are clean and functioning optimally, this specialized cleaner is ideal. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing soap scum and grime from shower surfaces. It leaves the shower looking sparkling clean with minimal scrubbing required. The spray nozzle provides good coverage, making it easy to apply the cleaner evenly. Number 2. Rejuvenate Soap Scum Remover. Tired of stubborn soap scum? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your bathroom sparkling clean. It dissolves grime without any harsh scrubbing. This formula is gentle enough for daily use, yet powerful enough to tackle tough messes. Enjoy a clean bathroom without compromising on safety. Worry less about damage. It's safe to use on a variety of surfaces including glass showers, ceramic tile, and chrome fixtures. Our non-bleach formula ensures effective cleaning without the harsh chemicals. You get a brilliant shine without the worry of discoloration. Keep your loved ones safe. This cleaner is formulated to be safe around children and pets, giving you peace of mind. Achieve a spotless finish with minimal effort. It leaves your bathroom looking and feeling brand new every day. What we like? Maintain a pristine shower with this gentle, daily use cleaner. Its non-bleach formula is safe for various surfaces like glass, tile, and chrome. If you have a sensitive family with kids and pets, or if you prefer a mild yet effective cleaner for everyday upkeep, this product is perfect. What people say. This product is a game changer for cleaning shower glass. It effectively removes soap scum and hard water stains without harsh scrubbing. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply. Number 1. Better Life All-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing a revolutionary cleaner designed for your entire home. Its plant-based formula tackles messes effectively, leaving surfaces spotless. From countertops and appliances to glass and upholstery, this cleaner does it all. It's your go-to solution for a truly multi-surface clean. Experience the refreshing scent of clary sage and citrus as you clean. It leaves your home smelling as good as it looks. You can trust this cleaner to be tough on grime but gentle on your home. It provides a powerful clean without harsh chemicals. This all-purpose cleaner comes in a convenient 24-ounce size. You'll have plenty to keep your home sparkling clean for longer. Choose a cleaner that aligns with a better lifestyle. It's perfect for maintaining a pristine and healthy living environment. What we like? Experience powerful cleaning derived from plant-based ingredients. This multi-surface spray is perfect for kitchens and homes. If you prioritize eco-friendly products and need a reliable cleaner for various surfaces like countertops and appliances, this is an excellent option. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing soap scum and grime. It leaves shower surfaces looking shiny and new. The spray nozzle provides a good, even coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.